Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix GoDaddy website issues, full guide step by step clearly. To begin fixing GoDaddy website issues, first identify the specific problem you're encountering. Log into your GoDaddy account by visiting the GoDaddy website and entering your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your product page where you can see a list of your domains and hosting services. If the issue relates to your domain, click on the Domains tab to view your registered domains. Select the domain you need assistance with, then click on Manage DNS to check your DNS settings. Ensure that the record points to the correct IP address of your website server. If the issue is related to loading speed, check the server status by clicking on Manage Hosting. Look for any alerts about server downtime. If your website is down, you may need to contact GoDaddy support for immediate assistance. For issues with your website's content or appearance, access the website builder or the content management system you are using. Make sure all plugins and themes are updated to their latest versions if you're using WordPress or similar platforms. If you're experiencing broken links, use a link checker tool to identify any issues and rectify them. Clear your browser cache and cookies to ensure you're viewing the most recent version of your site. If your site is still not functioning properly, consider disabling all plugins to see if one may be causing the issue. After disabling plugins, reactivate them one by one to identify the culprit. Ensure that your SSL certificate is properly installed if you're encountering security warnings. You can check this in your GoDaddy account under the SSL certificates section. If your site has been hacked or defaced, restore a previous backup of your website through your hosting control panel. Next, review your website's security settings to prevent further breaches. If the issue persists after trying these steps, contact GoDaddy support via phone or chat for expert assistance. Have your account and website details ready to speed up the troubleshooting process. Follow any additional instructions provided by the support team to resolve the issue effectively. Once the problem is solved, make sure to regularly update your site and monitor for any further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.